Hi, Roman Scorpion here. Just doing a couple videos over the last few days and into the probably next few weeks. Limited on what I can do with the bike. Can't really move around heavy stuff. Just recently had surgery not that long ago and have another surgery coming. So just wanted to pop up a couple videos, go over a few different things. Today I wanted to start with Smith and Wesson 357 686-6, which puts it around 2001, 2002 area. It is a lock gun, although I've defeated the lock like most people do. Just kind of did away with that. The only thing I haven't done yet is a couple different little things, but that's all. I have done the Wilson Combat spring change on it. I've kind of polished out a few different things, but it is a 7-shot, and it's a 2.5-inch barrel. It's pretty snappy, as you would expect, but nothing like a 500 or any of that stuff. But it actually has a really good trigger. When I did the spring change, I polished everything out to a mirror finish, and not with Flitz cream, with the actual jeweler's polish, and polished it out the right way. Flitz cream doesn't really, in my opinion, doesn't really do a lot of polishing. It'll make something that was shiny again, but it's not like really out there to try and remove material or get rid of sand lines or that type of stuff. At least from my opinion on what I've found by using it on different applications, it'll make steel shiny again, and that was shiny before. But you're not going to remove material to get rid of sanding scratches and that type of stuff, or just scratches in general. But this is single action. It's maybe, I think when we gauged it, we were right at about 1.5 pounds single action, and double action was like 8. Nothing spectacular for double action, but it is smooth. It took me a while to find one. When I did, it had the factory rubber grips on it, really short, really thin, didn't really fit my hands. I changed it out to a Hogue grip, and with this, I can actually get a full wrap on it and absolutely keep control of it, keep the recoil down, control it a whole lot better. But overall, it is a great gun. I have a 4-inch and I have a 6-inch model as well, and I absolutely love it. Even the 629s, you go to 44 Magnum. They're absolutely amazing firearms. Smith and Wesson has always made some of the best revolvers out there, in my opinion. But yeah, that's Smith and Wesson 686-6, 7-shot, 2.5-inch barrel. Appreciate your time watching the video. Hope everybody stays safe. Get out there, get to the range, get some shooting done, stay in practice. You can never practice too much.